Okay, listen, the camera is filming, so go under and do something. Okay, go. Okay, come on. Swim, Katie Taylor. Oh, you know what? And I actually brought this so that we could film you with your mermaid tails on, and now today we didn't bring them. Okay, do you wanna do a nice little swim? Okay, the three of us are, so hello.